about going electric? You're not alone. EVs are taking over Ontario's roads, and one of the smartest moves you can make as a new owner is installing a home charger. It's faster, more convenient, and saves you money long term. Plus, it's way easier than you might think. Let's break it down. The benefits of home EV charging stations: efficient energy use, program your charger to run during off-peak hours to save on utility costs and reduce grid strain. Custom installations: go simple with a plug-in setup or sleek with a mounted station. Boost resale value: homes with EV chargers are more attractive to eco-conscious buyers. Types of home EV chargers: Level 1, 120 volts. Plug into a standard outlet, great for hybrids or as a backup, but slow, around 3 to 5 miles per hour. Level 2, the 240 volt. Faster charging, 20 to 60 miles per hour, but requires a dedicated circuit. DC fast chargers. Ultra fast, but costly and rarely used at home due to high power demands. Key installation considerations: electrical capacity. Make sure your home system can handle your added load, especially for level 2 chargers. Placement. Keep it close to your panel to reduce wiring costs. Rebates and incentives. Ontario offers rebates for installing home chargers. Check local programs to save. Cable length. Most cables are 15 to 25 feet. Plan for where you'll park. Smart features: scheduling, remote monitoring, and energy tracking are great add-ons. With government incentives and a push for renewable energy, Ontario makes going electric easier than ever before. When it comes to EV charger installation, having the right partner makes all the difference. Affordable Comfort ensures your setup is efficient, code compliant, and tailored for your needs, so you can enjoy the benefits without the stress. Ready to make the switch? Contact Affordable Comfort today and let's power up your home for a greener tomorrow.